In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all scheduled posts on LinkedIn, a step-by-step guide to managing your content with ease. Navigating LinkedIn's features can sometimes be a bit tricky, especially when you're trying to keep track of your scheduled posts. But worry not, we're here to make the process as smooth as possible. Let's begin by heading straight to the LinkedIn homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a myriad of options, but what you're looking for is the Start a Post button. You typically find this displayed prominently on your homepage, inviting you to share your latest insights and updates with your network. Once you've clicked on Start a Post, you'll notice that a Post Composer window appears. This is usually where you type out your update. However, today we're focusing on something slightly different. Direct your attention to the bottom left corner of this window. You should see a small clock icon nestled there. Go ahead and give that a click. Clicking on the clock icon opens up an entirely new window. This is where LinkedIn showcases all the posts you've planned but haven't published yet. Here in this window, we're interested in a particular option, View All Scheduled Posts, which is conveniently located in the bottom left corner. Click that, and you'll be navigated to a dedicated page for your scheduled content. On this page, you're presented with a comprehensive overview of all the posts you've lined up for future publication. This isn't just a static list. LinkedIn provides you with several functionalities to ensure your content calendar is flexible and adaptable to your needs. Each post on the list can be previewed, which is a great way to double check your content and ensure everything appears as intended. Did you spot an error or want to tweak something? No problem. You can easily edit your post right from this page. Perhaps you've realized that the timing isn't quite right. No worries. The ability to reschedule your posts gives you the flexibility to adjust your publishing dates on the fly. If it turns out that some content is no longer relevant or you've simply had a change of heart, deleting any scheduled post is quick and straightforward. Managing your LinkedIn content doesn't have to be labor-intensive. With just a few clicks, you're empowered to oversee and refine your scheduled posts, ensuring they align perfectly with your strategy and goals. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, this functionality helps streamline your workflow on LinkedIn, allowing you to focus on what you do best. We hope this guide has demystified the process of viewing scheduled posts on LinkedIn for you. Remember, consistent and effective content management is key to maintaining a strong presence on the platform. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!